lovelies, how you all doing? I hope you're enjoying your Christmas holiday, because this season is a season of enjoyment. Guys, I made my first Egusi soup in the village and it came out so nice. Sit tight, let me just show you the process. It's a quick one and you will enjoy it. If you're just coming across my channel for the first time, please do wait to subscribe to see more content from my African kitchen, and also a lot of dishes I give out on dailies. Don't forget to also give this video a thumbs up to support my channel. Thank you guys, and continue to watch as you learn a lot of things from these videos.